This is our prototype design for Book Fano. When user log into with his ID and password, then he can able to see this screen. In this screen, if you want to book Fano, he can choose any menu from here. After that, he can choose any date, choose any date and duration. Here is duration 2 hours, 5 hours, 12 hours, and others. After that, he can put next. When he did, if when he put his date, if date is not available, then system will show him the message, and he need to put the date. He is to put another date again, and when he click to next, then the system will ask for his personal information for booking, such as name, address, contact number, purpose, number of people. After that, after putting all these things, when he click for next, then it will, if the number will people is more than capacity, then the system will show him the message insufficient space, please manage of people. Then he need to put the number of people again, or he need to choose another venue for his number of people. So after when he put next, then the system will show him the receipt for the with venue name, the rent for venue, and the contact information, his name, etc. After that, when you go for next, then he will see the payment method. So in payment method, he can payment by debit or credit card. So by or online banking. If you want to pay with debit or credit card, he need to put the number and expiry date here and need to confirm. After confirm, after confirm, if the system will show him the message if invalid, his card number is invalid, or his don't have efficient balance, or the expiry date is problem. So he need to put the valid one and need to confirm. When he confirm, before confirm, he if you want to edit any information, he can click in the submit button, then it will go the information page again. So after putting everything like before, he can, if you want to confirm, he can confirm. When he confirm, then the system will show him the message booking confirmation, and he will get the booking confirmation on his mail shortly.